Good morning, friends. Once again, I am in front of you with the new video of chapter number 1, Matter in Our Surrounding. Till last video, we had learnt the structure of particles of three different types of matter, and they are solid matter, liquid matter, and gaseous matters. In last video, I had explained by drawing the figure on the board, and we had also performed an activity how the particles are in motion, how the particles attract each other. So once again I am with the new topic of this lesson, and I hope that everybody had learnt the topics with the proper sense, and you had also read the lessons from the textbook. And beta, you must start learning, because from the end of this month your exam will be conducted, online exam. So MCQs will be sent to your soft copy on your screen, and you have to answer them. So the teacher will check it. So be ready for the exams. I hope that you had read in the newspaper that from 29th of July your exam will be started. So in this video I am with the new topic of the first lesson, and it is the properties of different kinds of state of matter. First I'll discuss about solid matter. So how the properties of solid. So solid matter, it has the particular property, and it is one by one I will explain, and you must remember these properties. So first, solid is least compressible. Solid is least compressible. What do we mean by compressible? Compressible means we can compress, we can push it. Why is it so? Because in solid matter, the arrangement of particles are very close to each other, and when the particles are very close, there is little space between two particles in solid state, and when there is no space between two particles, we cannot compress it. Suppose I am giving pressure from here, I am giving pressure from here. Because there is less space, it cannot be compressed. Suppose I am giving pressure from this side, and I am giving pressure from this side, then also it cannot be compressed. For example, if you are given task to press the textbook, then can you press the textbook, beta? No. The wooden block, can we press the wooden block? Definitely no, beta. Can we press the iron material? No, beta. It means solid are least compressible. But what is the reason for that? And the reason is the arrangement of the particles in the matter. The particles are very close to each other, and this is the reason why they are least compressible. Second thing, the solids do not flow. The solids do not flow. Why solid do not flow? The same thing, because the speed and the attraction between two particles is very much. The speed is very least. It means this particle has less space to move. Between these two particles, if you see, there is very least space to move. So, and their attraction is very much. They attract each other very much, but they cannot move freely between the space. For example, suppose I want to try to explain by giving simple word. Suppose on the bench you are sitting 3 students, then you have little space to move, a little bit space, isn't it, beta? But on the same bench, if 4 students are sitting, then what will happen? There is least space to move. It means because of this least space, between two particles, the particle cannot flow. Second thing, the particle cannot flow because the attraction is much. So the attraction between two particles is very much, and because of this attraction and because of this least space, the solids do not flow. Is it clear? Why solids do not flow? Solids do not flow because the attraction between two particles is much, and because of this attraction the solids do not flow. Third point for the solid matter, the solids have particular shape and volume. Why solids have particular shape and particular volume? Can you answer, beta? It is the same reason, because in the solid state the arrangement of particle is unique, and there is the compact figure. How much? It is the compact figure. Compact means there is much attraction, and because of this much attraction the particles remain close to each other, and when particles remain close to each other the figure remain compact, and because of this compact figure the solid substances or solid matters have particular shape and particular volume. Is it clear, beta? So these are the properties of solid. So solid are least compressible, solids do not flow, solids have particular shape and particular volume. These are the properties of solid. So next we will discuss about liquid, and liquid and gaseous property I will come with the new video. Till then keep watching and repeating the video and learn the answers in the proper sense. So goodbye, and just I'll come with the new video.